Hello everyone and welcome back to Mathematical Mindset. So right here guys, we have the Science Algebra Math Olympiad problem and we are to find the value of x. So right here guys, the first thing we want to do is to simply rearrange this equation by simply isolating the roots of x. So we have this to be x minus 6 is equal to the square root of x. So the next thing we want to do right now is to simply square both sides. So we have this to be x minus 6 all square is equal to the root of x all square. So applying this property to the left hand side of this equation that says if we have a minus b all square, this is equal to a square minus 2ab plus what? B square. So applying this right here, we have that a is equals to x and b is equals to 6. So this becomes x square minus 2 multiply x multiply 6 plus 6 square is equal to, this is going to cancel out this, so we have this to be x. So we have x square minus 2 multiply x multiply 6 is going to give us 12x plus 6 square is 36, which is equals to x. So the next thing we want to do now is to simply rearrange and set this equation to 0. So rearranging right here, we have this to be x square minus 12x minus x plus 36 and this is equals to 0. So we have x square minus 12x minus x is going to give us 13x plus 36 and this is equals to 0. So from here we want to simply factorize. So if we take out these two parts, we have this to be 36x squared. So you take off a number that when you multiply that number it will give us 36x squared, and when you add or subtract that number it's going to give us minus 13x, and we have those two numbers to be minus 9x and minus 4x. So this implies that if we multiply minus 9x multiply minus 4x, this is equal to 36x squared, and we have minus 9x minus 4x is going to give us minus 13x. Okay, so from there we have this to be x squared minus 9x minus 4x plus 36 is equals to 0. So if you factor out this, we have x to be common, so we have x minus 9. From here we have minus 4 to be common, and if we factor that out we have x minus 9 and this is equals to 0. So we have x minus 9 to be common, so we have x minus 9 multiply x minus 4 and this is equals to 0. So x minus 9 is equals to 0 and x minus 4 is equals to 0. X is equals to 0 plus 9 and x is equals to 9. From here we have x is equals to 0 plus 4 and x is equals to 4. So we have been able to find all the values of x. So therefore we say x is equals to 9 and x is equals to what? 4. Now let's simply verify to show which of the values of x is a valid solution. We have the original expression to be given as x minus the square root of x, which is equals to 6. So we are going to say for x equals to 9, we have 9 minus the square root of 9, which is equals to 6. 9 minus the square root of 9 is 3, which is equals to 6. 9 minus 3 is 6, which is equals to 6. So the left hand side is equal to the what? Right hand side. So let's verify for x equals to 4. We have this to be 4 minus the square root of 4 equals to 6. So we have 4 minus the square root of 4 is 2, which is equals to 6. So we have 4 minus 2 is 2 and this is not equals to 6. So therefore we say x equals to 4 is what? Invalid. So from here we have that the valid solution for x, we have that x is equals to what? 9, and this is the value of x. So guys, this is how you can solve this nice algebra math problem, and hence we have the value of x to be equals to what? 9, and this is the final answer. So with this guys, I'm going to see you in the next video.